Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Vitamin deficiency is a topic that often flies under the radar, yet it plays a crucial role in our overall health, particularly when managing pain conditions like sciatica. Sciatica, characterized by pain radiating along the sciatic nerve, can significantly impact daily life. Understanding the connection between vitamin deficiencies and sciatica pain is essential for anyone looking to alleviate their discomfort. This video will explore how specific vitamins can help reduce inflammation and support nerve health, potentially easing sciatica symptoms. Viewers will learn about critical vitamins such as B12, D, and E, which are known for their roles in nerve function and pain management. We will discuss how these vitamins contribute to muscle and nerve health, and how a deficiency can exacerbate sciatica pain. Moreover, addressing nutritional needs is not just about managing pain, it's about enhancing overall well-being. By understanding the significance of vitamins in our diet, we empower ourselves to make informed choices, leading to a healthier lifestyle. So, whether you're currently experiencing sciatica or want to improve your health, stay tuned as we delve into the vital nutrients that can make a difference in your life. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Understanding sciatica pain. Sciatica refers to pain originating from the sciatic nerve, which runs from the lower back down through the hips and buttocks and extends into each leg. This pain can manifest as a sharp shooting sensation, numbness, or tingling, often affecting one side of the body. For many, sciatica can significantly impact daily life, making simple activities like sitting, standing, or walking uncomfortable and challenging. Common causes of sciatica include herniated discs, which can press on the sciatic nerve, and spinal stenosis, where the spinal canal narrows. Other contributing factors may include muscle imbalances, poor posture, and lifestyle choices such as prolonged sitting or lack of physical activity. These elements can lead to increased pressure on the nerve, triggering pain. While addressing the physical causes of sciatica is crucial, it's equally important to consider the role of nutrition in managing and preventing this condition. A balanced diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods can help reduce nerve irritation and promote healing. Nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins B12 and D, and magnesium can support nerve health and muscle function. Individuals can take proactive steps toward alleviating sciatica pain and improving their quality of life by focusing on physical and nutritional aspects. The role of vitamins in nerve health. Vitamins are vital in maintaining nerve health and facilitating effective pain management. Essential vitamins, such as B vitamins, particularly B12, are crucial for nerve function and repair. They help produce myelin, the protective sheath surrounding nerves necessary for proper nerve signaling. Additionally, vitamin D supports overall nerve health by reducing inflammation and promoting calcium absorption, which is critical for nerve function. When the body lacks these essential vitamins, it can lead to deficiencies that exacerbate nerve pain, including conditions like sciatica. For instance, a deficiency in vitamin B12 can result in nerve damage, leading to increased pain, tingling, and numbness. Similarly, low vitamin D levels have been linked to heightened sensitivity to pain, making existing nerve issues feel worse. Introducing vitamins as a complementary treatment for sciatica can be a game changer. While traditional treatments often focus on pain relief through medication or physical therapy, incorporating vitamins into your regimen can address underlying deficiencies that contribute to nerve pain. By ensuring adequate intake of these vital nutrients, individuals may experience improved nerve function and reduced pain, paving the way for a more holistic approach to managing sciatica and enhancing overall well-being. Vitamin B12, the nerve protector. Vitamin B12 is often hailed as a crucial nutrient for nerve health, particularly when managing conditions like sciatica. This essential vitamin plays a significant role in supporting nerve function by aiding in the production of myelin, the protective sheath surrounding nerves. A healthy myelin layer ensures efficient nerve signaling, which can help reduce pain and discomfort associated with nerve issues. By promoting proper nerve function, vitamin B12 can alleviate some of the symptoms experienced by those suffering from sciatica. Incorporate foods rich in vitamin B12 into your diet. Excellent sources include fish, such as salmon and trout, and dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese. Fortified cereals and nutritional yeast can provide a viable alternative for those following a plant-based diet. However, a vitamin B12 deficiency can lead to various symptoms, including fatigue, weakness, and neurological issues like tingling or numbness in the extremities. These symptoms can exacerbate sciatica pain, making it essential to maintain adequate levels of this vital nutrient. By ensuring sufficient vitamin B12 intake, individuals can support their nerve health and potentially reduce the impact of sciatica on their daily lives. Vitamin D, the pain reliever. Vitamin D is crucial in reducing inflammation and managing pain, making it an essential nutrient for sciatica patients. This vitamin helps regulate the immune system and has anti-inflammatory properties that can alleviate pain by reducing the inflammatory response in the body. When vitamin D levels are insufficient, individuals may experience increased pain sensitivity, making existing discomfort feel more intense. This heightened sensitivity can significantly impact the quality of life for nerve-related pain patients. To maintain adequate vitamin D levels, it's essential to incorporate various sources into your diet and lifestyle. One of the most effective ways to boost vitamin D is sunlight exposure, as the skin synthesizes this vitamin when exposed to UV rays. However, fortified foods such as milk, orange juice, and cereals can provide a valuable alternative for those who may not get enough sun. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are also excellent natural sources of vitamin D. Maintaining sufficient vitamin D levels is vital not only for pain management, but also for overall health. Adequate vitamin D supports bone health, immune function, and mood regulation. By prioritizing this essential nutrient, individuals can enhance their well-being and potentially reduce the impact of pain conditions like sciatica. Vitamin E, the antioxidant. Vitamin E is renowned for its powerful antioxidant properties, which significantly manage sciatica pain. As an antioxidant, vitamin E helps combat oxidative stress in the body, reducing inflammation that can exacerbate nerve pain. This vitamin can protect nerve cells from damage by neutralizing free radicals, promoting overall nerve health, and potentially alleviating discomfort associated with conditions like sciatica. Incorporating vitamin E into your diet is relatively easy, as it can be found in various delicious foods. Nuts and seeds are among the richest sources of vitamin E, with almonds, sunflower seeds, and hazelnuts being exceptionally high in this nutrient. Additionally, green leafy vegetables like spinach and kale and vegetable oils such as sunflower and olive oil can contribute to your daily vitamin E intake. Beyond its anti-inflammatory effects, vitamin E supports overall nerve health by enhancing circulation and promoting the repair of damaged tissues. This is especially important for individuals dealing with sciatica, as improved blood flow can aid in the healing process and reduce pain. By ensuring adequate vitamin E intake through a balanced diet, individuals can take proactive steps toward managing sciatica pain and supporting their overall well-being. Magnesium, the muscle relaxant. Magnesium is an essential mineral that plays a vital role in muscle and nerve function, making it particularly important for those experiencing sciatica. One of magnesium's critical benefits is its ability to help relax muscles and alleviate tension. By regulating muscle contractions and promoting relaxation, magnesium can reduce the tightness and spasms that often accompany nerve pain, providing much-needed relief for individuals suffering from sciatica. To ensure adequate magnesium intake, it's essential to include a variety of food sources in your diet. Leafy greens such as spinach and kale are excellent sources of magnesium, as are whole grains like brown rice and quinoa. Nuts and seeds, particularly almonds and pumpkin seeds, also provide this mineral significantly. Incorporating these foods into your meals can help you meet your daily magnesium needs. A magnesium deficiency can increase pain sensitivity and muscle tension, exacerbating conditions like sciatica. Low magnesium levels may also contribute to heightened nerve irritation and discomfort, making it essential to maintain sufficient levels of this mineral for overall health. By prioritizing magnesium-rich foods, individuals can support muscle relaxation, enhance nerve function, and potentially reduce the impact of pain associated with sciatica. Omega-3 fatty acids, the anti-inflammatory. Omega-3 fatty acids are renowned for their anti-inflammatory properties, making them a valuable ally in relieving sciatica pain. These essential fats help reduce inflammation throughout the body, alleviating pressure on the sciatic nerve and decreasing pain levels. By supporting nerve health, omega-3s can enhance communication between nerve cells, improving overall function and reducing discomfort associated with nerve-related conditions. To reap the benefits of omega-3 fatty acids, it's essential to include a variety of sources in your diet. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are among the wealthiest sources of omega-3s. For those who prefer plant-based options, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts are excellent alternatives that provide these essential fats. Additionally, Fortified foods and supplements can help individuals meet their omega-3 needs. Incorporating omega-3 fatty acids into a balanced diet is crucial for overall health. These fats support nerve and joint health and contribute to heart and cognitive function. By prioritizing omega-3 rich foods, individuals can take proactive steps toward managing sciatica pain and enhancing their well-being. A diet rich in omega-3s can improve inflammation control and improve the quality of life for nerve pain patients. We discussed the benefits of vitamin B12, which aids in nerve function and repair, and how vitamin D helps reduce inflammation and pain sensitivity. We also highlighted the antioxidant properties of vitamin E, which can alleviate nerve discomfort, and the muscle-relaxing effects of magnesium. Lastly, we examined the anti-inflammatory benefits of omega-3 fatty acids, which can significantly contribute to pain relief. Addressing vitamin deficiencies is crucial not only for managing sciatica, but also for overall health and well-being. Ensuring adequate levels of these essential nutrients can improve nerve function, reduce inflammation, and improve quality of life. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to engage with our channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing this video with friends and family who may benefit from these health tips. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable content that empowers individuals to take charge of their health. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights on maintaining a healthy lifestyle.